Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
All of you have to be here. Don't worry. Only Shasat. You see only Shasat.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Just straight up, how can you assess the process so far?
Yeah, so far it's going on very well, but I understand there are certain people in the statutory delegate list that are not supposed to be there. There are certain people that are never, or they were never members of a state working committee, that they're wrongfully included in the list. We hope they have to address all those things. But at the same time, everything is going on very well.
All right, going by these allegations, would you say that the PDP primaries will be free and fair?
Looking at the caliber of people that have come to conduct these primaries, I have no doubt they are going to do a good work. But no matter how credible the panel is, if the list is not has integrity problem, it will affect the entire process. I will hope that the little, mistakes or hitches that we have in that list will be corrected before the voting commences.
All right, but so far, you have been accredited. The delegates seem to be having some, issues here and there, as well as some agents of some aspirants.
Well, I don't know, but in a situation like this, you don't expect it to be totally, smooth. This is politics. Some people, of course, are not invited, but they will come on their own just to cause mischief. Some maybe agents are not prepared. Otherwise, of course, an aspirant should come with his or her agents early in the morning before the proper delegates start coming, before the accreditation proper starts. But you can see that accreditation is still going on. But I hope there will be a second accreditation because we will stop people that are not delegates crossing that gate. We hope that this panel should be thorough enough to scrutinize the delegates to ensure that we'll have the proper delegates go in to vote an aspirant of their choice. The only way you will stop agitation in a contest of this nature is to go with clean hands, to ensure that all aspirants will feel a sense of credibility in the system, that all aspirants will feel some sense of transparency, credibility, openness, and whatever.
All right, then. Before we round up this interview, one major issue that seems to be cropping up here and there is the fact that there will be, or there is ongoing at the moment, a parallel primaries, and some of the persons who have withdrawn from this one may likely or allegedly be involved in the parallel primaries?
Well, I'm not aware of any other primary.
Being hosted by Chris Uber.
Well, I'm not aware. You're just informing me. Of course, sometimes you have conflicting court judgments. And when you have conflicting court judgments, and especially judgments from the same court of equal jurisdiction, people tend to obey the one they want to obey. You can't stop people from, believing in what they want to believe. You can't stop people from playing policies the way they want to play it. The most important thing that the court is there for you to go and seek for redress.
But will that not affect?
Well, it depends on the courts. When after this, I know everybody will end up in courts. At the end of the day, that is why the judiciary is there to interpret whatever case that we have. So when it ends up the court, we'll continue following it.
Well, how are you so confident that a lot of aspirants here today would have to, end up?
Well, I not that I'm confident, but you just mentioned it, that maybe a parallel Congress is going on somewhere. You mentioned that, so I'm reacting to what you said. If such is happening somewhere, of course it will end up in court. If you have two conflicting judgments, you are from the same court of equal jurisdiction, you obey the one you want to obey. But at this point, I cannot just predict anything. All I can say, but God should just have mercy on us.
So far, 3 aspirants have withdrawn from the race. Do you have any intentions of going ahead with this primaries, or you are also withdrawing or stepping down?
Rather, they should step down for me. I'm most prepared, I'm most equipped, I'm most experienced, I am most sagacious. I'm a sitting senator covering 7 local government, someone that has had a PDP ticket for House of Reps. I want twice for PDP. Senate-wise, I want for PDP. I think this race should be there for me. If a team is going to play international football, they go to buy players. I think that PDP should come and buy me to go and win Agoka for them.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.